Hello everyone, this is Tapasya Sharma and welcome back to our channel #LiteratureWithUs. This is the fourth important video lecture for beginners, and today we are going to learn on the Renaissance age. Uh, I hope my handwriting is not bothering you. So it's the Renaissance age, or maybe the Renaissance period, you could say, which starts from 1500 to 1660. Now, in the previous video lecture, we have known about the Anglo-Norman age, and then we came to know about a very important age of 1340, that was the age of Joseph. And now, continuing with the same age, we are keeping a new step in a new period, that is the Renaissance period. So the Renaissance period in the history of English literature is also known as the Elizabethan period or the age of Shakespeare. It is, in fact, the golden age in the history of English literature, of course. So, after the Middle Ages in Europe came the Renaissance, meaning revival or rebirth. As a result, the darkness of the Middle Ages was replaced by the enlightenment of human mind with the revival of learning, with the Renaissance prompted. The major characteristics that we are going to learn today of the Renaissance was its focus on humanism. What do you mean by humanism? So, humanism means man's concern with himself as an object of observation. So the Renaissance actually started Italy. It started in Italy by Dante, Boccaccio, and Petrarch, the three important people uh, through which, like Petrarch was the one who had invented its own rhyming scheme. Okay, and from Italy, we of course got the sonnet. So Renaissance actually started from Italy by the three important people, that was Dante, Boccaccio, and Petrarch. However, it became popular in Europe. So during the period of Elizabeth. Now, besides focusing on the study of mankind, Renaissance had numerous subordinates through the trends, which were actually the significant aspects of humanism. Now, there are five important aspects, which includes, that is, the first one is the rediscovery of classical antiquity, particularly of ancient Greek. Then, rediscovery of the external universe and its importance for man. The third is the problems of human personality. Fourth is the enhanced sensitivity to formal beauty and the cultivation of the aesthetic sense. The last one is the belief that man is responsible for their own actions. So instead of looking up to some higher authority for the guidance, as it is done in the Middle Ages, the writers of Renaissance period found guidance from within. If you remember, Martin Luther, who had stuck 99 theses on the door of the church, and there were two important sections that were being divided. That was the Roman Catholic, and the other one was the Protestant. The Roman Catholic were the people who believed that God and the church, the center of any of the family. But on the other hand, when few common people who came to know that actually the church is the one which is corrupt, and how can a church help our family to come out of these circumstances? So there was a different movement that arose, which was being initiated by Martin Luther, and he was the one who had started a new section of society, that was Protestants, where people, especially the common people, believed that whatever we learn, we read by ourselves, only then we can find ourselves. Of course, God is there, but any of the other superior thing cannot overcome or be the part of our family, right? So that is the reason why this Renaissance age, or you could say the revival or the rebirth, these words have been given to this age because it was a new age for humanism to come forward and stand for themselves. Okay, where the church has been overpowering so many families and so many, area of Britain at a very high cost because it was a corrupt church. But of course, people who wanted to believe to Martin Luther tried to change themselves into Protestants, and people who did not came to be known as Roman Catholics today. So that's all for this audio. I hope you must have been understanding what exactly the Renaissance period play a great role. The age is not vast enough, okay? But yeah, this is the basic history of Renaissance age, which you should understand because after this we are going to deal with a very important age and a very interesting golden age, that is the Elizabethan age. So thank you so much for listening to this video. Bye bye.